Coming up on Monday, November 14th, is a supermoon, the closest moon to Earth since 1948. Here to tell us a little bit about it is Dr. Alex Young. So, what is a supermoon and what makes this one so super?
Well, a supermoon is what happens when the moon is in its within 90% of its closest approach as it orbits the Earth, and it's also a full moon. And this one is extra special because it is the closest approach we've had during full moon since 1948.
When is the best time to see the supermoon, and will it look different from other full moons?
Well, you can go out on Saturday night, Sunday night, or Monday night, and as long as there's a clear sky, when the moon is up, you're going to get to see a moon that's 14% bigger and 30% brighter. So it's going to give everyone a spectacular show.
Many of our viewers will be amazed to hear that NASA has had a spacecraft orbiting the moon for over 7 years. What's the most surprising thing you've seen?
So over the past 7 years, NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, or LRO, has been orbiting the moon, giving us a spectacular view, mapping the surface, showing its impact craters, telling us an awful lot about how the moon was formed and how it's evolved over time. But one of the things that's been so amazing is we've come to find how much the moon is changing. That is, the surface is being bombarded much more than we ever expected over such a short period of time. So we have seen how much the moon is changing and how dynamic of a place it really is.
What can our moon teach us about other mysterious places deeper in the solar system?
Studying the moon serves as a way to compare with other objects in the solar system. So for example, the New Horizons mission has sent back pictures of Pluto, and what we found is that it's much different than we expected. We didn't see the impact craters that we thought we were going to see like we expect comparing it to the moon. So this is telling us that the environment is much different, and the planet itself is changing and evolving in a way that we never expected.
Where can we learn more?
Go to nasa.gov/LRO to see more about the LRO mission and studying the moon and the solar system. And if you take pictures of the supermoon, share them on social media with #NasaSupermoon.